Hi! This is another quick vlog. You can probably hear by my voice that I'm a little bit crook, got a bit of the flu. I am very prone to get the flu and I normally get it once or twice a year. Normally, or basically, since last year, I am convinced that the flu shot is working for me. So I get the flu shot, but it was too late this year. The kids got it and then I got it. So this video is basically to say that even though you're sick, you can still be organized. I was just well enough to quickly go to the shops. I got myself a rope and I also got some healthy fruits and yogurts, so to make sure that I eat healthy, I keep my fluids up and I feel nice and looked after, even though I basically do it myself. Another idea is that if you are too crook, you can actually organize groceries via online shopping. So that means you spend 10 minutes online and you can have your groceries as early as the next morning and you can pick all the healthy things. I have also taken some extra vitamin C and I basically accept that I'm out of it for a couple of days, cancelled all my appointments, enjoy just taking time off, having sleeps when I need to, and embrace the whole snuggly being at home thing. I even got the fireplace on just to kind of not only physically but also mentally really look after myself. Okay, I hope that was useful and I'll see you soon. Bye.